The year 2020 started with a huge crisis, the 2019-20 coronavirus pandemic. In this video, we will share information on coronavirus and COVID-19. So let's get started with coronavirus. The word corona is derived from the Latin word corona, which means crown. Coronaviruses is actually a group of related viruses that cause diseases in mammals and birds. In humans, coronaviruses cause respiratory tract infections. In chickens, they cause an upper respiratory tract disease, while in cows and pigs, they cause diarrhea. There are yet to be vaccines or antiviral drugs to prevent or treat coronavirus infections. Coronavirus was first discovered in 1930s in chickens. Human coronavirus was first discovered in 1960s, but the main outbreak was due to SARS-CoV, which stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus, and MERS-CoV, which stands for Middle East Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus, and SARS-CoV-2, which stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. MERS-CoV was first identified in June 2012 in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and SARS-CoV was first identified in November 2002 in Shanghai, China, and SARS-CoV-2 was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. Some of the symptoms of coronavirus are fever, breathing difficulties, and cough. Now let's talk about COVID-19, which stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. People think that COVID and Corona are the same, but they are not the same, as COVID-19 is the disease which is caused due to SARS-CoV-2 or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. In December 2019, a pneumonia outbreak was reported in Wuhan, China, and it was suggested that Huanan seafood wholesale market was the source of viral transmission to humans. On 31st December 2019, the outbreak was traced to a novel strain of coronavirus which was given the name 2019 nCoV by WHO and later named SARS-CoV-2 by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus. But some researchers have suggested that Huanan seafood wholesale market may not be the original source of viral transmission to humans. Some researchers also suggest that it might have transmitted from bats. The symptoms shown due to COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, fatigue, sputum production, loss of smell, shortness of breath, muscle or joint pain, sore throat, headache, chills, nausea or vomiting, nasal congestion, diarrhea, hemoptysis, and pink eyes. So in this pandemic, keep calm and be safe. A video by Austin Dice. Thank you.